5 fun facts about sharks. Hidden hunters. Sharks are excellent at hiding. Their color and patterns help them blend in with the ocean, making it hard for prey to see them coming. It's like they have their own underwater camouflage. Endless teeth. Sharks are like the superheroes of the tooth world. They can go through thousands of teeth in their lifetime. When one falls out, a new one pops up to take its place. Different shapes and sizes. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes. Some are as small as a human hand, while others can be as big as a school bus. The whale shark, the largest shark, is even larger than many dinosaurs. Ancient swimmers. Sharks have been around for a really long time, way before dinosaurs. They've been swimming in the oceans for more than 400 million years. No bones about it. Unlike most fish, sharks don't have bones. Instead, their skeletons are made of cartilage, which is the same flexible material that makes up our noses and ears. Be aware of the types of sharks that are present in the area where you plan to swim or engage in water activities. Knowing their behavior can help you make informed decisions. See you next time for more fun facts from DJC Kids.